My teacher name Miss Adeletta.
Miss
Zavaleta.
Zavaleta.
Yeah, there you
Oh, Miss Zavaleta.
What do you like to do? What's your favorite thing to do at school?
Build blocks.
Build blocks?
You get to play games with the other kids?
Okay, I pledge allegiance to the flag and United States of America and to the republic in which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And this is
Sing the
oh,
good
Yay!
No, I don't want to.
Oh.
How does it go? I forgot. Says good morning.
Good morning. Good morning to you, dumb.
And what else? What else?
You cry or not?
No.
Like yesterday.
Yesterday
Did you cry yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want my mom.
Why did you cry?
Oh.
Why did you cry? Because what?
I was sitting on my couch and the little bird was crying and it made me cry.
What little bird?
That was the little boy.
So why did you cry?
Why are you say little boy?
Dad.
And you kicked the table? And you kicked the table?
Are you too like you built the table, America?
No.
What did you do?
You hit
Why
the
you
table or
cry?
not? No, she not hit the table.
What's your favorite thing to play outside?
Ringa ringa rosy, creo que
Oh, she gets homework every
Soccer.
has to go back.
Oh.
How about bingo?
Bingo too.
Oh yeah.
How about drawing?
And drawing.
Yeah.
What hand do you write with?
This hand.
No, you don't.
Oh.
With your left hand. You're a lefty.
I know I did at school.
Oh. What is your favorita food in the escuela?
My teacher told me to do a puzzle and draw my name, write my name, and her made me do a lot of stuff to clean up.
Oh.
Yeah, they make
All
you.
by myself.
Why?
Because
Why?
my teacher told me to. And no one helped me.
Did you do it?
Yes.
Good.
Good, yay.
And it made me sweaty and made me tired.
Oh.
Then I fell asleep.
Oh.
You have nap time?
Yeah.
How many kids are in your school? How many kids?
A lot of different.
Ay, 10.
I have boys and girls.
Oh, chiquita, little como you. Oh.
You have a boyfriend already?
I was big and.
Helika.
Oh, what?
Helika. Oscar's asking you something.
You have a boyfriend already?
No.
Are you gonna get married already?
That's from my dad. If I got a boyfriend, my dad would be mad. My dad has another wife he will do. You have to put your hands like
You put them
that.
on DVD?
Yeah, you do it like this.
Oh,
You do
okay,
it
I
like
try,
that.
okay.
Okay. Copy me and my thing.
Okay.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Where's Natalie?
You forgot?
We have
A lot of work to do.
lot of work to do.
Lot of work to do.
Okay, put on DVD.
That little bit?
Ma, para que salga más así.
I don't know. Oh, and they did.
What is that?
That's his good morning song and then.
Oh, good
Oh,
morning
okay.
song?
The money coming
But
there.
did you learn your ABCs
He's not
already?
asking for deodorant yet. Or stick up.
This is
Well,
this is my
this is
teacher.
your
The ABCs rock. The numbers rock. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You have to count. Okay, do it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
6, 7, 8,
6,
9,
7, 8,
10.
10.
Ow.
Out.
And now Oscar put it on DVD.
Already?
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5.
No.
Yeah.